How to morph into a mob in Minecraft. So first, just place your crosshair on any mob or just anything here on Minecraft. So let's say I want to become a horse or a cat. So let's say I want to become a cat. So just place your crosshair on the cat, then type in slash tag, then go to the numbers right here. It will show up if you put your crosshair on the cat or any living thing you want. So basically just go with the numbers right there. Then click on add and type in the name that you want. So let's say I want to name the cat orange. So click on enter. Now once that's done, get yourself a potion of invisibility, then just simply drink it. So once it's done, we will now need the command block. And to do that, just open up your chatting commands, then type in give, then your username, then command block right here. Click on enter, and it will give you the command block. Now place it on the ground, open it up, and you will need to type in this command. So just type in this command and change this orange word to whatever name you gave to the animal or the mob. Now just change this option needs redstone to always active, and here on impulse make sure that I set to repeat. Now just simply click on done, and after that you will now become a cat. So I'm just going to change my POV right here, and as you can see I am now the cat. I have just some armor, so I'm just gonna simply remove this right here first. Now as you can see I have transformed into the cat right here. And if you want to remove these messages here on the left, just simply type in game rule, then command block output to false, click on enter, and now the commands will be gone right there. That's how I basically morph into a mob in Minecraft.